I just realized my mic was muted. My bad. Good morning, everyone. I just realized my mic was muted. I saw the chat. It asked if I'm doing a mint that's happening soon. I'm not doing any mints. I don't really mint NFTs anymore. I sometimes will buy them, but really I just kind of focus on coin. If anything, that's my bread and butter. I used to trade a lot of NFTs. Like, I used to trade a lot of NFTs, and I don't anymore. I found even if you're really good at trading NFTs, you probably could have still done better if you just would have done coin. Like for me and the energy for myself of like what it takes, I just prefer to, I've learned for myself my preferred way to trade. So yeah, but I still like NFTs. I still do like them. I just don't focus on them as much as I used to. I used to literally be in like Discords. I used to be like grinding for whitelist. I used to be like trying to get all the, OG, roles. Like I was an alpha caller for a while in an NFT project, in several NFT projects. I used to do a lot in NFTs. Vandals was one of the biggest projects I was an alpha caller for. Oh, that's a fast mint. 2 minutes is pretty quick for a mint. Minted out in 2 minutes. What was the collection size? Like 10K? What was the collection size and what was their mint price? And then what's the current floor price? See if those people made out good on their investments. Oh, I remember those days. Trying to like connect your wallet, getting all the stuff ready, and then you're like clicking mint, like and then it doesn't go through or whatever. Pretty much, I remember when I was first starting out, if you didn't have whitelist, you're not getting an NFT. You're gonna buy secondary. If you didn't have whitelist and you go to public, you're not getting an NFT. Bots are gonna beat you out. That's I remember, and I would always try to grind for whitelist so I can guarantee that NFT so I can flip it, and it was fun. I had some good days of flipping. 2,750. Okay, that's a small collection. All right, guys. Good morning. We're gonna do some TA this morning. See, why is everything lagging, man? Why is everything being so lame? Bitcoin's being lame. Solana's being lame. Ethereum's being lame. They're all being slow today. And I'm hoping that Wednesday's like this lull. And then, remember, we're shooting for like a 10% week. We're not hitting that right now. We are not hitting a 10% week right now with the way the market's going. But I'm hoping that either today or after today, we start seeing finally some good movement in the market, because right now it's kind of boring and lame. I'm opening up Pengu. Oh, Pengu's finally looking a little up. Pengu's actually making a little bit of a bull trend here. I like it. We'll look at Pengu today, see how it's doing. I can give you guys an update. I made a liquidity pool, but not on Meteora. I did my liquidity pool on Camino. So we'll do some of that. 0.0069 mint, now 0.009 ETH. Nice. They're almost a 2x. They need a not really. They need a little bit more, but they're getting close. Getting close to almost a 2x. Actually, they're not almost close to a 2x. They would need to hit a 2x to be 0.011. So it'd be a 2x would need to be 0.0069 times 2. They need to hit 0.0138. They're getting semi-close. Once they break 0.01, they're almost to a 2x. That's a pretty, I mean, a 0.03 ETH profit is not bad too for a 0.0069 ETH mint. So you're making 0.003 ETH, depending on how many NFTs you made. That's not too bad. At least you're up, right? That's the thing that's the best, is when you mint an NFT and then you're up. It's the worst when you mint an NFT and then it goes below the mint price. You're like, why did I do this? I could have just waited for public or for listings. They got some drops like OP, and one case will have CryptoPunks. Nice. Nice. Dang, that'd be crazy if you got the CryptoPunk. A 0.0069 ETH mint, and then you get a CryptoPunk. That'd be... That's life-changing. What is a CryptoPunk like? How much is a CryptoPunk now? How much are those going for? Let's see. Weren't they usually like 100 ETH? They're probably not 100 ETH anymore. We'll look them up right now. CryptoPunks. Oh, 40? 40 ETH? Whew! That's life-changing. It's more than a Pudgy Penguin. What did Pudgy Penguins go to? Didn't they dive? Oh, Pudgy Penguins were at a 31 ETH the last time I was looking at them, and now they're 18, 19 ETH. They've taken a pretty big dump. I bet they'd still be worth the buy. I like Pudgy Penguins. I just can't afford them. I just don't think I would want to pay that much for an NFT too. Like, I don't have the kind of money to be like, oh yeah, let me drop 19 ETH on a picture. You know, I don't have that kind of money. Unless I really saw that I can double it again back to 30. I don't think I'd want to buy something like that. They get some drops like, oh, okay, I already read that. I thought it was a new chat. All right, guys, let's do some market analysis this morning. Let's see how everything's going. Next week, I can't believe already next week today, 1 week from today, is already Christmas. I can't believe that. That's like, it's going pretty fast. I didn't like when I was look, I thought next week was not Christmas. I thought we had one more week. Because like in my IRL job, I have a lot of events that are going on and stuff before Christmas. And I don't know why. I just thought like, oh, next week's not Christmas. It's the week after. And then someone's like, no, next week's Christmas. I was like, no, it's not. I was like, we got one more week. And then I looked on the calendar. I was like, wait, today's the 17th. That would mean +7 is 24, which would be Christmas Eve. And I was like, oh my gosh, You know when like your days aren't making sense in your head? That was me the other day. So, yeah. I don't know what I was doing. Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's down. It's actually lost about 5% from yesterday. Yesterday we're at 69.5%, I think it was, for the Q4 return. And they've lost almost 5%. So Bitcoin took a dip yesterday. Bitcoin was red yesterday, which was frustrating, to be honest. I was like, come on, dude, like just move up, continue, give us what we want. We all want 120k Bitcoin, like just go, you know. So they're down a little. We lost about 5%. Let's see, December we're sitting at 8%. So it looks like this week we might have, are we red this week now? Let's see. We are now red. Back to negative 0.25%. Okay, we were positive over 2%, almost 3% yesterday. And now we're actually red for the week because Bitcoin wanted to ruin our day. So that was fun. Nah, it's not ruined. When we go to the chart of Bitcoin, honestly, what I see is actually like, it's not bad. It's hitting a good daily gold zone. I'm pretty fine with what I see on Bitcoin, unless I see something different and come in. But right now, I feel pretty fine with Bitcoin. I just think it's having some lull. So return wise, we've lost some of our return. We're still hoping for that double-digit return this week, but we will see if we actually get it. ETF inflows yesterday. We had some sell-off from 1, 2, 3, 4 companies. Sell-off looking like it was about $200 million sold off, where BlackRock almost put in yesterday on a red day. BlackRock put in almost $1 billion. They put in $741 million into the market yesterday. Oh my gosh. Like, that's just the amount they literally have just been DCAing into Bitcoin in the hundreds of millions nonstop. They have yet to sell a position that I've seen. They have yet to sell any Bitcoin. They have literally just been accumulating hundreds of millions of dollars of Bitcoin. Here, you got November 29th, 137 mil. December 2nd, 338 mil, 693 mil. You know, you're literally seeing $500 million almost daily going into the market from Bitcoin or from BlackRock alone. That's crazy, dude. Crazy. Their total that they've put into the market is $37 billion is what they put in the Bitcoin market. Thank you, babe. $37 billion BlackRock has put into the market. That's more than all the ETFs combined. I don't know what Grayscale's doing over here. Right? This is Grayscale. I don't know what they're doing over here, but they keep selling. They're now negative. They're stupid. I don't know what they're doing over here. They got BTC over here that they've only put it into 1 billion, but then they have over here, they've sold off $21.1 billion. Kind of weird to me. So, literally BlackRock, if you combine all the ETFs, they've accumulated more Bitcoin than all of them put together. So, that's pretty crazy to think of. I mean, they alone have more than the total amount after sell-off over here. That's crazy. Their average day is $157 million that they put into Bitcoin. Average on the day. The most they've ever put in one day was $1.1 billion. That's so crazy, dude. That's so crazy. I wonder what it's like. I would absolutely love to go to BlackRock and see the people who are like the ones initiating these buys and like arguing, you know, maybe who pitched the, hey, let's accumulate, you know, an average of $157 million of Bitcoin a day. Like, who? I want to be in that meeting. I want to be the fly in the wall on that conversation, because that's crazy to me. That's like crazy. Or the day they put, why did they put $1.1 billion in one day? What was their reasoning? I don't know. That's cool. Oh, they did sell off once. They sold off 69 million one time. They sold off 61 million. That's funny. It's like nothing. That's not even half of what. That's about half of what their average is. That's crazy. So yesterday was another positive day. About $500 million went into the market on Bitcoin again in regards to ETFs. Pretty much thanks to what's it called, BlackRock. Okay, crypto market cap, we're down about 100 bill. We're down $100 billion from yesterday's, which was yesterday was $3.74 trillion. Today we're 3.63, so we're like 0.11 billion dollars that we've or 0.11 trillion dollars that we've lost. So that'd be $110 billion about. So the market's down a little bit. Okay, we got a little bit of red. As you can see up here, you see the top coins are all bleeding. Okay, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and XRP. The top 5 minus the stable coin, right, USDT, they're all bleeding today or yesterday. Today could change, right? We're still, for me, it's only 9 a.m., so we still have a long day to go. For you, you might be somewhere else where like maybe the day's closing out, but for me, we still got a long day to go. East Coast is about to close out in how many hours is that? They close out 2 p.m. my time, so there's like 3-4 more hours left until the East Coast kind of closes. So 3-4 more hours, we'll see what kind of happens. So kind of what goes down, but market cap's down. Okay, let's look at dominance. It looks almost identical to yesterday. Dominance is still kind of the same. Let's go to fear and greed. Okay, we're in 80, so still in extreme greed. Still in extreme greed. And then I forgot to look at, I think it's the market cap. Yeah, we're still, we're almost out of altcoin season down here. Do you see that? We're almost out of altcoin season here and almost into more Bitcoin season. So I'm interested to see how that plays out. Do we actually swing into Bitcoin season, or would we start seeing a big push upwards towards altcoin season? And that's this bar right here. So we're leaning almost 50-50 right now in regards to the altcoin season index. So we'll see how that plays out over time. Let's look at market cap. Bitcoin's still over 2 trillion. Ethereum's 466 billion. XRP really hasn't changed, really like 140 billion. And then Solana still over 100 billion. But Solana just doesn't want to get over that 110. USDT has just passed XRP. If I refresh, USDT will be in number 3. Yep. USDT is in the number 3 spot, so XRP is number 4 now. XRP saw a little bit of bleeding, as you can see here. The last 24 hours, they saw a negative 5.9%. Solana saw a negative 4.88. Ethereum 2.1 and Bitcoin 2.4. Okay, but as in the last hour, we're seeing some green. Okay, we're seeing some green in the last hour on the top coins. Minus, don't ignore Tether, but Ethereum and Bitcoin, we're seeing actually some green in the last hour. Even BNB, you see a lot of red, but some of the top coins, you're starting to see some green movement, which could indicate that some of the other ones are lagging. Solana, let's see some of the Solana. Here we're looking at 41% for Q4 so far, and then December's so far bled negative 9%. December typically is a red month for Solana, so but also the last time Solana was in a bullish run in the election year, they were brand new. In 2020, they were brand new. They just started in April, right? And they hadn't even been a cryptocurrency for a year yet. So I could see this year's Solana potentially going green because we have the bull run kicking off, this really good election year. We've had a really good narrative around Solana lately. And so I'm optimistic to see that this goes green, but factually, historically, it's red. Okay, so we'll see how it actually plays out. Last December was absolutely crazy. Last December, they saw 71.4% in the month of December. That's crazy. Yeah, last year was pretty fun. Last year was almost all green for Solana. You know, January though might be our month for Solana. December might be an accumulation month for Solana, and then January, because if you look at 2021, okay, that's the start of the next year of the bull run. January had 181.9% return. So maybe this December is slow, and 2025 January is actually where we see the big pump when it comes to Solana. But what I see on the charts looks like we might see some movement here very soon. It's like pinching down, and it's like price has to do something now. Price either has to drop or has to pump. There's one thing it's got to do. It's pinching down, and it's got to do something, and eventually it's going to do something. What is it going to do? And we're going to look at that today. But yeah, Solana's on the brink of a move, I think. Let's go into it. This is Pengu. We'll look at Pengu a little later. But let's look at Bitcoin right now, okay? So Bitcoin, we broke out of the pennant, or the triangle we've been watching, right? We broke out of this triangle. I put a daily fib retracement, okay, of this move, this break of structure. And as you can see today, we've tapped into the gold zone, and we're starting to wick off. When I look at the 4 hour, okay, when I look at the 4 hour, the way it's respecting here, I like it. Okay, I like what it's doing on the top of this pennant. Do you see that? Broke out, tested the pennant, pushed up, came back down, tested the pennant, and it's holding there. 4 hour time frame, it is below the VWAP. But if I start seeing confirmation here that we're going to continue up, right? Maybe we make a higher low, right, and then a higher high. That's what I would want to see. I'd want to see price go up, make a higher low, and then break this liquidity zone of a higher high. And then when I see this higher low made, I'll probably, wherever it is, it could be out here, right? It could be out here, wherever. I'll probably add to my Bitcoin position, like 0.1 Bitcoin or something, maybe 0.25 Bitcoin. I'll add to my current open position. As you can see on the screen, there's an open position, and I'll be riding it up as it moves up further. And again, my target zones are based on the monthly time frame right now, which the next target zone for me on the monthly is up here, the -1. Now, I do plan on having good profit management, and I have this weekly fib retracement too, and I will be taking some profits before the 1 in these zones. -50 right, or -50 right here, and then -61.8, which would be right around 115 and $119,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so I will have profit management. I'm not just gonna ride and hope for $122,000 Bitcoin. I will be taking profit before then, and that profit will always be what I always do, of 25% of the position. Okay, that's what I always do on my take profits. I don't do more than that, and I don't do less than that. I do 25% of whatever my position size is. So yeah, when we go to the day time frame, it's looking, in my opinion, like it pushed up, made new bullish structure, came back down to retest the pennant as it normally should do. That's a normal price movement. Tapped in the gold zone on that daily fib retracement, and then when you go to the 4 hour, it looks like we have a double bottom here, right? It looks like when you look right here with these wicks, you have that double bottom. Okay, let me make that white so it's a little easier to see. You have this double bottom here. I can draw it too. This bottom right here, and then this bottom right here. Okay. And now with the double bottom formation, let's look at that. That, if I'm right, is a bullish pattern. That should be a bullish pattern if I'm correct. Yeah. Yep. Double bottom. Yep. Breakout. Yeah. Let me see actually. Ooh, maybe I'm wrong. A double top is bad. I don't know if that can be considered a double bottom. I think it is. Which would mean if this is the double bottom, right? We'd expect this kind of move. Is it from the neckline? Yeah, from the neckline. So if we break out of this double bottom formation, which would be this zero line, would be the breakout, right? And what I do is how to like kind of estimate how high this breakout could be with this double bottom is I take the top of this move to the bottom of these double bottoms here, make a line, then put that line on where the neckline is where it would need to break out of. And then this is the move that we would need, which could put it to $113,000 Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm excited to see how it plays out. But I want to see it not make lower lows here. I want to see it have this double bottom and then make some more bullish structure. So I would want to see a higher low or break above and make a higher high. One of the two. But if I see price on the 4-hour time frame start to push out of this daily gold zone, I will like if I see good bullish indicators, I will add to my Bitcoin position. But I think Bitcoin is just doing normal price movement and lagging, and then tomorrow or Friday or even into the weekend, because this last weekend we saw a bullish weekend, especially before the holiday, we see that move. The 10% that we're hoping for, those double digits, double digit return. So I'm liking Bitcoin. I think it's showing for me personally a spot to add to my position. Yeah. And I trade on BLOFIN. So if you're looking at doing any kind of futures trading with cryptocurrency, I recommend BLOFIN. Highly, highly recommend it. Absolutely love it. Love that exchange. And our $1 million event is actually almost over. We have 3 days until that event ends. And then I'm looking at trying to do another community event for you guys. The current $1 million event is a public event, but I'm looking at doing a private event just for the community. Where is it? Wait, is it over? Wait, where did the War of Wales thing go? Here it is, War of Wales. Oh, shoot. It ended the 12th. Why did I think it ended... Why did I think it ended the 21st? Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Our team ended up in 4th place. That's great. Oh my gosh, I thought this was still going. In regards to P&L, my team ended in 5th place. Let's go. Sweet. I don't even know what I earned. That's funny. I don't even think I realized that ended. That's funny. My bad. I thought that was still going on. All right. Well, that event is over, and we're gonna be starting a new one. I thought I had 3 more days. I need to change the logo now. I need to change the BLOFIN logo. I'm actually going to change it right now. Let me add the media file or image. There we go. I'll change that out right now. There we go. Okay. There we go. I didn't realize that event was over. But yeah, BLOFIN. I love this. I love that exchange where I do all my futures trading from. But yeah, I love it. That's good to know. I'll have to reach out to Jason again and get an event going for us. Where was I? Oh yeah, Bitcoin. Oh, the 4 hours turning green. The 4 hours turning green. If I see price on the 4 hour probably closed above the VWAP, I'll probably add a little bit. Add a little bit here. All right, let's look at Ethereum now. Let's look at Ethereum. See what Ethereum's looking like. Ethereum's also... So the thing that makes... Ow, I just bit my tongue. Holy smokes. The thing that makes me not nervous about Ethereum, but makes me like wonder what's going to happen here with Ethereum is what I'm seeing here with this resistance point, right? So if we look to left, right, this is a key resistance point, these previous highs over here. Price has tapped in once, rejected like we expected. We knew that was going to happen. Okay. Now it tapped in again and rejected. That's 2 rejections on Ethereum in this resistance point, which can indicate that maybe we don't push out of this resistance point. I'm still watching it because we got this trend line here, right? We have this pennant formation, and I really wanted to respect this and the 50 right here, the 50 EMA, and push up from there. I really want it. So I would love to see a higher low made here and then a push out. And if we go to the this is the day time frame, we go to the 4 hour. Let's look what the 4 hours is doing. So the 4 hour has bullish structure. Okay, we have boom, breakout. Okay, this peak here, a lower low, a lower high, push up, higher low, right? So we can make a fib retracement here on the 4 hour. We have this breakout here. Okay. And price looks like it's actually coming back down towards this 4 hour gold zone, or getting at least pretty close, right? And I was watching it, and when we zoom in here, EMA's crossed, but then went right back, like almost crossed and then went right back. I added to my position, I'm pretty sure right here, or was it over here on this cross? I added to my, yeah, it was over here. Added to my Ethereum position, been riding it, watching. The EMA's crossed, bearish again. And if when they cross bullish here, okay, I'm planning on adding again. So what I see here is breakout. We could probably actually move our fib up after this red candle. That's probably more realistic. Yep. Okay, so that's more realistic. After, oh, you can't see it probably because my big head's in the way. Here we have green, 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 red candle, then the breakout. So I'm putting my fib at the bottom of this green candle here. Okay. Now, when we look at this, right? New structure, higher highs made, higher low, higher high, then a double bottom. Do you see that? Double bottom, tap the gold zone over here, tap the gold zone over here, and we're holding. So I'm actually pretty happy with my Ethereum right now. I'm not worried. Now I'm watching this. I'm going to put an alert actually right now. That's the beautiful thing about Ethereum. I'm going to put an alert on ETH touching bottom triangle. So now I know if price touches the bottom of the triangle, I will get notified. And then also I'm going to set an alert. I'm going to set an alert up at this white line here. This white line here, which was the previous peak way over here. What is this white line actually? Why do I have this white line? Is this the breakout? Oh, that's the breakout. That's the breakout. Okay, why is it so far over there? Let's move it. All right, we're just gonna delete it and do this quicker. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna set an alert at this white line on Ethereum to notify me that price. Oh, we're say ETH higher high. So this will let me know that ETH just made a higher high. So confirmation that we're making further bullish structure. So I don't have to sit here and stare at this. And I already have an alert on the EMAs when they cross. So when they cross, I'll probably be adding more to my Ethereum position here. I might honestly, with this push off the gold zone here, ideally, which was at 10 p.m. last night, right? 10 p.m., 8 p.m. last night. I would have done it on this doji candle here, but price is holding above the VWAP. I'll wait until the EMAs cross, then I'm gonna add more to my Ethereum position when these EMAs cross bullish again. So I'll wait for that. Price is holding above the VWAP here on the 4 hour. I love that. So yeah, Ethereum on the 4 hour is looking good because you got bullish structure, and then you have this double bottom tapping in the gold zone, a key area that price is usually pulled down to as a magnet, and then hopefully we push up and break out of this peak over here. And then when you go to my day time frame, or weekly, sorry, these are where some of my target zones are up here. -50, -61.8, which would be $4,759 Ethereum and $4,631 Ethereum. I think I need to add another TP. I think I might already have it. I think it's already there, but I also have the TP at this zero line here, at this zero line for Ethereum too. So there will be a TP there also. But yeah, that's why I love TradingView. If you're not using TradingView, it's a hack because you don't have to just sit and stare at the charts. You know, you get to use alerts and so on, and it's very, very helpful. So I love using TradingView for my charting. It just makes life simpler. All right, 4 hour time frame, looking good. Okay, so Ethereum I'm happy with. Bitcoin I'm happy with. Right, they're doing what I want. Like, look at that 4 hour on Bitcoin's looking really good. Price is back above VWAP. I'm getting confirmation that we're seeing bullish structure. Okay, I'm not worried about that. Now let's look at Solana. Now Solana I'm a little annoyed with. Okay, Solana, like, I'm just gonna be honest with you. You're my favorite. Okay, you're my golden child. I love Solana. You can do no wrong, but you're frustrating me. Okay, you're frustrating me, Solana. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Solana on the weekly time frame, we've basically printed 4 red candles in a row. 4 red candles. This one's green, but like, that's barely green. You can barely consider that a green candle. I'm just gonna say 4 red candles in a row. We've seen bleeding for the past month now. This is Thanksgiving week. This is really the first week of December, second week of December. Now we're in the 3rd week, and it's still bleeding. Solana, come on, man. Show the Soul Maniacs some love. Show us Soul Maniacs, because you guys are Soul Maniacs too. Show us some love. We want to see $300 Soul. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. All right, let's zoom in. Let's check out the daily time frame and what's going on here. Okay. We got this pen information. We've been watching it, right? We've talked about this enough. Okay. We know this is happening. The pen information at the bottom is getting respected. Okay, we made this lower low here, but now we're making higher lows here. Now, the only thing next to do that we really need Solana to do to confirm the bullish move is we need it now after a higher low. We need it to break up above these highs, right? We need it to break above these highs over here. We needed to break above that white line, make a higher low, a higher high, and then make a higher low outside of this pennant. So my guess it'd probably come down to like right around there, making a higher low. Okay, it'd come up, make a higher high, higher low, then push up. That's my guess with Solana. That's my guess is what we're gonna see. It has to make a decision. Now, the other thing that Solana could do that would frustrate me is break our bullish formation here and do the opposite. Fall down from these liquidity zones, make a lower low, and then make a lower high. And this would break my heart. This would break my heart. This would make me sad if this happens. This would make me sad. I would not be happy. I don't think with what I'm seeing with Solana, I don't think this is going to happen. I think with this consolidation, the higher low made, that's confirmation of bullish structure. And now it should break out very soon. It should be tomorrow. Because this next candle here, it should be tomorrow, is this breakout. That is what should happen. And when we break out, we should make a higher high. Hopefully. It might take 2 days to make a higher high. But we should break out. Like within tomorrow or Friday should be our breakout. And then I'm hoping this is what the structure looks like for Solana. Now, when we go to the 4 hour, let's see what it looks like there. Okay. 4 hour, again, is keeping up with our bullish structure thesis. We had a breakout, made a higher high. Looks like it's making a higher low. From this low over here, we had a higher low made, higher high, higher low, right? It's getting that bullish structure. Okay. It's getting what we want. It's giving us what we want. Now we just need the breakout. For me, I don't know what my current Solana position is sitting at 150 SOL. So the EMAs need to cross bullish. I probably won't add to my position here more. I added 50 when it crossed over here, but then literally right after I added my 50, it literally went right back down. So I won't be adding to my Solana position again. I'll probably add another 50 SOL, but I won't add to my position until the day time frame over here, the EMAs cross. See how the EMAs on the day time frame, the 9 and the 21 are bearish? When those cross bullish is when I will add more to my Solana position. So right now I'm being patient. I'm watching, waiting for them to cross bullish, and then I will add to my position. I already did it once on my 4 hour time frame. Now I'm waiting for the day time frame to give me another confirmation. So 4 hour time frame though, the confirmation I'm getting with the 4 hour time frame is the structure. Higher low, higher high, higher low. That's the confirmation I'm getting with 4 hour, and the EMAs did cross for like a split second and then went right back down to bearish. But I'm hoping that I'm hoping today we see these cross again bullish and not continue to bleed. But I want to see Solana get above the VWAP and price to hold above there. We have 2 more hours in this 4 hour candle. I would like to see, it's Ethereum right now seeing green and Bitcoin seeing green on the 4 hour time frame. I would like to see Solana to start pushing up into the green. So we'll see if that happens on the 4 hour time frame for Solana. So I have right now, my thesis is still bullish for Solana. I do not have something that would give me the otherwise feeling yet. So I'm still feeling bullish on Solana. I think when we break out, $300 SOL is very, very close. When you go to the day time frame for Solana, when we break out of this pennant, right? We talked about this pennant formation down here. When we broke out, it had a 40% move. And when we break out of this pennant formation, and if we have that 40% move that I think of, which is really right at my entry, if we have that 40% move, That puts us at $315.83 Solana. So if we get this breakout, I think it'll take a couple days, but we'll get a 40% move out of Solana here when we have the breakout. But we need to get a breakout of this pennant formation. And I think it's going to break out tomorrow or Friday is when we should finally see that breakout. It could happen today. It could happen today on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, if we get another move like this, where we make a higher high from this liquidity over here, these peaks, if we can break this in today, in the formation today, would be very, very good. But the daytime frame would need to break over here. The daytime frame would need to break these highs, this high over here. This white line is the 4-hour high that would need to break. So what I think I'll do right now is add an alert on this pennant formation once per bar. Sol touching top of triangle. Oh, that's not how you spell triangle. Okay. Oh, Sol touching top of triangle. Okay. And then I'm also going to add an alert here on this one. Sol testing 4-hour previous high. So then that'll let me know. If I get that alert, I know price is broken out like very nicely out of the triangle formation. And then I'll also put an alert on this green one, on the green line. Full retesting bullish trend line 4-hour. And then I'll add one last alert on Solana at this bottom of this pennant formation. And if I get this alert, I'll be sad. Sol touching bottom triangle. If I get that alert, I will not be very happy, because that would be confirmation that we made a lower low on the 4-hour. If we touch that line, that's confirmation we made a lower low. We broke trend and then we made a lower low, right? Because if we touch this, that doesn't necessarily mean we broke trend, right? That just means we retested this trend line if I get this alert. But if I get this alert, that's confirmation that not only did we touch the trend line, but we also broke the trend line. And that would be confirmation of a lower low made, which would be confirmation of bullish formation. Okay. Or bearish formation, sorry. So I'm hoping instead I get this alert and then this alert. That'd be confirmation of bullish structure forming and a breakout of the pennant. And I should have an alert on the Solana day time frame EMAs. Yep, I do. I do have an alert on the day EMAs. So I also have an alert on the day EMAs over here when they cross. If they do. If they cross, I will get an alert. And then when I get that alert, that will inform me to open up my BLOFIN account and add more to my position. But I'll wait until the day time frame or the day candle closes until I do that. So, but yeah. So I got a lot of alerts on Solana. I got a lot of alerts on Ethereum too, right? Was it Ethereum that we had a lot of alerts, or was it Bitcoin? No, we have some alerts on Ethereum, and I think we have some alerts on Bitcoin too. Not really. We don't really have that many alerts on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin I'm honestly just fine with. I don't really, not really that worried. Where Solana, I want to be very informed on what's going on with Solana, because I do have my position. I have my stop loss down here at these lows. And so I want to be pretty informed, because right now my position's not looking like super great, right? It's negative. You can see it on the screen. And so I want to know if it starts, honestly, if the 4-hour time frame broke this trend line and then tapped here, I'll probably just close my Solana position. I'll wait for the 4-hour candle to close to see if it wicks back in, but if it did that, I'd probably just close my position instead of waiting for it to hit the stop loss, because then that's confirmation of a lower low made. But I'll be watching it and seeing what's going down. But yeah, but as of right now, I still feel bullish for Solana, yeah, until I get this notification. Oh. Ooh. All right, let's look at, we looked at Solana. Let's look at over here, but let's see if we can find Pengu. Let's see if we can find Pengu. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. Is it not Pengu? Is it Pengu? Pengu? Penguin. Peng. Is it Peng? Let's see if we can find it. Pengu. That's Peng. Oh, Binance. Right here. This should be it. This should be... Yes, I think this is it. Pengu / Tether US. Binance. This should be Pengu. Let's see. What is current Pengu trading at? This is 3 cents. This is trading at 0.036. Let's go to Bird Eye. What is it at? What is price at? All right, yeah, this is right. This is the right coin. We can close this out now. Okay, this is Pengu. Pengu was the coin that launched yesterday. We all got really excited about it. Okay, I'm a little bummed. When we did the stream, I checked up my wallets right on stream, but I was like, oh, I got other wallets that I need to go check. I checked those other wallets. Nothing. So I got 28,000 Pengu airdropped to me. And if you have not checked your Pengu for Pengu airdrop, if you're an ETH OG or you're a Solana OG, you've been in the space, you've traded NFTs, you've been in part of the community, you need to go check if you have Pengu sitting in the airdrop, okay? You need to go check for that. Now, I haven't been able to check my ledger. My ledger will not connect. So my ledger could still have Pengu, but right now they're having issues with ledgers connecting. And so I'll probably check that after stream and see if I can find some Pengu on my ledger. But right now I can't be able to check that. But I got airdropped. I think it was like almost 29,000 Pengu. So, and I didn't even realize I got the airdrop. So you should go check right now. There's over 60 of you in the stream right now. You should go check every single wallet you should check every single wallet if you have Pengu. Okay, check Opus on Sol, please. Let me know your thoughts on the chart, please. Paul, thank you so much for the heart. I really appreciate that. Opus, okay, we can check Opus. We'll check it after Pengu. All right, Pengu honestly is looking very good in my opinion. I really like this this formation. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, we have bullish structure. Let me go actually out probably a little further. Yeah, I really like Pengu's formation right now. Let me add these trend lines. I really like it. It's looking really good. It looks like we're pushing up to back to that 4 cents range up here. Okay, we got these peaks over here. We have that peak, and then we also have this liquidity zone that we need to break. Okay. And then let's see, is there any others really that we can, I guess this one over here at 5 cents, that one up there. So Pengu is looking great. We need to break these highs. If we break this high here of 0.03965, the next one would be at 5 cents. We'll just say 5 cents, 0.054. So right around 5 cents. So Pengu's looking absolutely amazing. I really like the formation that it's forming here. It's looking really good. Really good. Let's see the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, really solid bullish formation. See the hour. Woo! That looks really good on the hour. Yeah, really good on the hour. We made a higher high here from these peaks over here. right? This liquidity zone over here made a higher high. Oh man, Pengu's looking good. You know, you even have this peak over here too. Yeah, I like Pengu right now. Woo! Oh, my position's got to be doing really good now. Let me show you what I created. So I'm gonna show you guys. So Pengu's looking really good. We bought in these lows here. We did it on stream yesterday. We bought in the 4-cent range also, like up here in these highs. So we're probably still negative on our position in regards to Pengu on what we actually put in. But I think our liquidity pool is doing really good. So where did I do my liquidity pool? I'll show you right now. We're going to add a VPN, turn that on real quick. Okay. And I go to Camino Finance. Okay. And I love Camino Finance. I love Camino Finance. We're going to do this real fast. And we got a couple positions we can check. So here's one of my wallets. I think this one has a Pengu liquidity pool. Should. They have a couple. Yep, Pengu. Okay, nice. Yeah, we're up. We're up on our position here. So we're up in regards to just the coin itself. And just not even the fees that we've generated. We're up $128.31 on our liquidity pool. Okay, so that means the Pengu and the Solana I put in, or Jito Sol that I put into this pool is up. And we've earned about $130 there. Now, in my fees that I've claimed, I've earned 0.84 JTO. Okay, so this liquidity pool is Pengu and Jito Sol. The reason why I did this liquidity pool is because Camino was doing an incentive that they're incentivizing for a week to do a Jito Sol Pengu liquidity pool, and they're putting like high percentages that you can earn. My incentive APY is 50.8%. Okay, so and my P&L is looking like right about there. So I put in about $1.3 thousand, a little bit less because we're up in profit, right? So it's like a $1.2 thousand I put in this liquidity pool, and we have made in fees we've made, it says $2.72, and then in profit we've made another 128. So we're up about $130 on this. Those fees are honestly not that great. I did way better in the Meteor pool the last time I did one. So I'm kind of interested in why are my fees. Oh wait, this says fees earned is $12.75. Oh, okay. So my fees have been auto compounded into my position. So I've actually made $12.75 into my position. So we're actually up pretty good amount. And that's actually not too bad for only putting $1,000 into this thing. That's over 10% of what we've earned so far. So I'm happy with it. Let's go to my other position that I have. And that one's a little bit larger, if I remember correctly. And I have a couple positions in this other one. So we'll go check that one now. So let's do portfolio. This one has a lot more. Yeah, this one I have a lot more money in regards to liquidity pools. I have 2 liquidity pools that this one is in. It's a stable coin one, and then it's also a Pengu one. Okay, so we have our Pengu one. Our Pengu liquidity, we put about $1,000 in. I took my Pengu that I got for free and I put it in this liquidity pool, and we've earned $33.65 P&L in the liquidity, and then earned about $11 into our fees. So that's not bad at all. That's doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Plan on just holding that for a while until this stops like earning a good incentive. If they stopped incentives. Now the pool that I really like, and it's a very stable, very secure way of doing liquidity pools, is a stable coin one. And this is PYUSD, the PayPal stablecoin, and then USDC. I put over $13,000 into this pool. And now you're going to see the fees be a lot slower because this is a stable coin. Okay. This isn't, these aren't meme coins. These aren't like altcoins, right? These are stable coins. And the stable coin here is earning me about 18%. Okay. 18%. So in P&L, we're up 90 cents. Not a lot, but fees, we've generated about $5 in fees. Okay. That's not bad. Now, if I hold this or add to it, right, and accumulate into this liquidity pool, just the more I'm able to earn, right? And so I really like this. I have one other PYUSD and USDC liquidity pool, and I'm very happy with it. Yeah, I'm very happy with the way this has been performing. I like doing it instead of stablecoin just sitting in a wallet. It's now earning me 18%. So that's why I like doing these liquidity pools, because at any time I can literally just go here, go max, or we go withdraw. Just go max withdraw and I can take it out at any time. You're not like locked. It's not locked for 30 days or anything like that. Anytime I can just come in here and withdraw it. So that's also why I like doing these, is because it's not locked down. If you're gonna have money sitting for like a couple months, it's a great thing to do. It's like throw it in one of these, and then you're not locked in for, it's not locked in for a period of time. You can at any moment come in and take it all out and then go on your way. Yeah, I like doing these liquidity pools. I have a couple of them. And then also the reason why I like using the Camino is because I'm also earning Camino points for season 3. Okay. So this one, I think, did season 1. Yep. We did season 1. We didn't participate really in season 2. And then we're participating now in season 3. So I'm going to try to be more active in Camino and earning those Camino points, because then you get Camino, the coin, airdrop to you. So, which is this coin over here. Camino, right? I got no allocation for season 2. Because I didn't participate, but I'm planning on participating in season 3. And so yeah, check out Camino. I'd recommend going in and doing some research on them, looking them up. They have great docs. So if you're wondering like how to learn if you're wondering how to learn about liquidity, right? If you wanted to do the Pengu Jito one, you can go into info and risk, and they have a lot of information that you can learn, how to, like, what the heck are you doing, right? What the heck is this liquidity pool? What's my risk? What's my reward? How does it work? When can I withdraw? What can I earn, right? And then if you want, you can create your own strategy in here. But they have really good docs that really is transparent on what are you doing and what is your money? Where's your money going? And how are you using it? So I like Camino. I wonder if they have referrals, because yeah, I don't think they have referrals. I wish they did. But I don't think I get referrals. I can't get any referrals. I wish. Doesn't look like it. That's something they probably should add. But yeah, I enjoy Camino. I enjoy using it. They make it really easy to look at your portfolio. Like, what have you earned? You know, what is your value? Are you up or down? You know, if you add Camino to the staking, you boost your rewards, right? There's a lot of things you can do. You can quickly and easily see your P&L over here, right? We're up in total fees. We've made $10.22 across everything. And then our P&L is positive $34.56 across all of our positions. But yeah, I like it. I'm a fan of this. Camino is one of the altcoins I really like too, because I love their platform. I love what they're creating. I think they have a really good DeFi protocol, in my opinion. But yeah, what time are we going? About an hour. Is this Pengu? Yeah, loving it. We just got a brand new hour candle, and it broke out. Oh yeah, we're heading to 0.038 cents and almost to 4 cents. we should be there very soon. So I'm very happy with Pengu. Looks amazing. Very happy with it. Solana, we'll see how that plays out. Ethereum's looking good. BTC is looking great. BTC is looking really good. I like it a lot. We just need to break these highs up here. Once we have this confirmation of the move out of the gold zone. Opus. Oh yeah, that's right. Opus was one that we wanted to look at. Opus on Sol. Let's look at Opus. Is the ticker Paul OP? I don't know if Paul's still in here. Paul, if you're still in here, is the ticker OP? I want to make sure I get the right one on the screen. I imagine it's got to be. I imagine it's got to be this. I don't even know what this coin is. Let's see. We'll check it out real fast. Okay, this is a monthly time frame on Opus or OP. He might not be in here anymore. See the weekly time frame? Weekly time frame looks like it just broke out, had a nice move, and it looks like it's actually testing the gold zone. Looks like it's actually about to test the weekly time frame gold zone on OP. The weekly time frame EMA's cross. I would want to see price probably fall back down into the gold zone on the weekly time frame. We have bullish formation forming. Let's see the day time frame. So day time frame did tap in the gold zone once on that weekly move, and it made a lower low here. So it looks like it might be coming back down to this gold zone. And then you have this. This might be actually a little bit of a pendant, a triangle formation. Looks like it's making a little bit of a triangle formation, right? We have this bottom right here, this support zone that price is holding right in. Make that green. Okay, we have the support zone down here. And it looks like price might fall back down into the support zone unless it makes a higher low here on the let's see the 4 hour time frame. Okay, it did make a higher low up here, but then so pushed up, higher low, lower high again, and continued the bearish structure. Where's my VWAP? Oh, my VWAP's on in here. Let's add my VWAP real fast. Okay. Price is above VWAP. So honestly, I'd want to either see one of two things for Opus here. If I was a trader on it, I'd want to see either price fall down to the back to the gold zone in this support, making a higher low from this low over here, or I'd want to see the EMA's cross bullish. But this looks like this was your entry opportunity over here. This would have been the ideal entry. But I would want to see either back to gold zone or EMA's cross. But Opus looks like it has some room to grow, because you can go to the day time frame, right? Or let's go to the weekly. When you go to the weekly time frame, it has these highs over here. And then it also has this high over here. And then this high over here. And when I look at, is this the weekly fib retracement, right? The weekly fib retracement, breakout, retest gold zone. And if I look, could we hit these green lines up here? Yes, because there's previous highs over here that price could move towards. So I think this could be pretty good for Opus. I like it. It looks, in regards to price movement and regards to price structure, I like it. I have no idea what this coin is. I have no idea what it does. They are listed on Binance, but I couldn't tell you a thing about this thing. But all I could say is in regards to the price structure, it looks good. And what price is doing, right? If you just solely go off price, it looks like it's doing something good. But other than that, I have no idea. I don't know what Opus is. Maybe you guys do who are watching. But when I just do the TA on it, it's looking actually pretty good. Looking like it has potential to have a nice little run up and go back to. It looks like it could go back to, in this next bull run, back to at least $4.86. You know, and then if we break out of this for price discovery for this coin, you know, that could be cool for it. But it looks like it's lagging, and it looks like it hasn't really gotten to take advantage of altcoin season yet. As also Solana, right, and many other altcoins, Jupe, Grass, you know, other coins that really haven't been able to benefit altcoin season yet. But yeah, this coin looks decent. Personally, I wouldn't be trading it just because I don't know it. Yo, thank you so much, Hechtman, for the subscribe. I hope you're appreciating the content. Thank you for being here, and thank you so much for subscribing. Really love it. I love it. Oh, it's an AI coin. Oh, thank you for that, Dia. I didn't realize that's an AI coin. If it, you know, actually that could, being an AI coin could actually be pretty big opportunity, because AI is definitely going to be the next narrative, especially it's an AI agent. Okay, that actually changes a lot. I didn't know it was AI. We could go to, let's go to coin market cap real fast, and we can do a little quick research on it. Let's do some quick research on it. Oh, it's a top 50 coin. News, yields, token. Here we go. Analytics. OP is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Okay, so it's on Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps. Oh, Opus on Sol. Oh, this is a different coin. This is Ethereum. I must be looking at the wrong coin then. This is AI though, right? No, it's a layer 2 blockchain. Oh, I think I'm looking at the wrong coin. This is OP. I don't know if, okay, I think I need to go to like Bird Eye. Let's see. Let's go to, I think I know what he's talking about. I think I know what they're talking about now. Now that makes sense. I think this is like more of a, yeah. Let's go. I know what this is. Opus. I think it's this coin right here. Yeah, it's this coin right here. Huh. Well, it looks like it's heading back down to previous lows. Honestly, personally, I'm not a fan of these kind of coins. I don't buy them. I stay away from them. I'm just gonna be honest, not a huge fan. I know they have, you know, they could print, you know, insane amount of return, insane amount of percentage ROIs, but let's look at the market cap real fast of this coin. So it looks like its peak was $110 million market cap, and then ever since it hit those peaks, it just has been bleeding. So I have no idea about this coin. I don't know. I stay away from these personally. I don't enjoy them. Let me see their X account. Let's see what their X account is looking like. 6,000 followers. They get good engagement. They get decent engagement on their posts. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I say these are risky. What about GOAT? You think the AI coin stuff is here to stay? I think the AI narrative is kind of the last narrative for the meme coin super cycle, right? Meme coins have been going absolutely berserk, right? And there's always a meta. Right now it's meme coins. And I think now there's a sub meta within meme coins, which I think is AI. And I think that's honestly going to be the last one. And I think the focus will either go towards NFTs again. We'll see maybe a bull run in NFTs, or the focus will go to altcoins and like L1s, like normal coins, because those are going to start going crazy. You're going to see all of them start breaking all-time highs. And then I think the meta is going to shift from that to back to the normal investments of like Bitcoin, Solana, you know, normal altcoins, Jupe, Grass, Camino, you know, coins like that, or Ethereum L2s or XRP, and all those coins will start being the meta, because you're going to see them start going crazy next year. I think this AI meta is the final one for the meme coins. To be honest with you, I think it'll be done after that. Go, I have no idea. I don't pay attention to that stuff because personally I just don't buy it. I don't buy any of them. I don't invest in them. I'd way rather invest in something like Pengu, right? That has a community behind it, that has a longevity, right? Pudgy Penguins have been around for a very long time. They have product, they have a plan, they have all of that, right? Not to say that these AI coins don't. I don't know anything about them. I can't speak on it. But I prefer to do something where they're not, they have their face. Luca Nets has his face on the line. You know who he is. He ain't gonna rug us, right? If he does, he's going to jail, right? Where these AI coins, they can still rug you. They're still a meme coin. You don't know who the owner is. You don't know who it is, right? They can still rug you. And so I prefer sticking to the more safer stuff. Safer, right? But Pengu can still print a 10x from where we currently are in this next bull run. So like, I think people sometimes get too focused in on these really small, you know, sub 100 mil market caps, right? I mean, I don't think Go is 100 mil. I think they're actually probably close to $1 billion, but at one point they probably were. And to me, I wouldn't want to buy some meme coin AI agent that's $1 billion market cap, because honestly, it probably isn't going to go much further. Look at Bonk. Bonk is the biggest meme coin in all of Solana in regards to the community meme coin. And that meme coin, okay, let's go to Bonk, right? That is the biggest community meme coin in all of Solana. And Bonk is sitting at, let's see what their market cap is at. Is at $2.6 billion market cap. Okay, if you think some AI agent meme coin is going to outperform Bonk in the long run, I think you'd be wrong. I think you'd be wrong, right? Bonk has been proven in Solana. Solana absolutely loves it. There's a massive community behind it. They have product. They have real life utility behind this meme coin. And it's sitting at $2.6 billion market cap. I don't think these meme AI agents are going to really outperform Bonk in this long run. Yeah, I probably won't be looking at any of these AI agents because I just don't want to put that on stream and have someone think that I'm like shilling it. So I'll be staying away from it. But I just want to like help people think, like really put into perspective. Like people will say on these AI agents, I see people all the time, oh, it's going to 10 billion. No, it's not. It's not going to 10 billion. Bro, you think it's going to outperform Bonk, the biggest one? Or you think if you go to coin market cap, $10 billion meme coin would put it in the top 19 coins in all of crypto. A meme coin AI agent is probably not going to be doing that. You're getting close to XLM. You're getting close to Sui, Polkadot, HBAR. You know, if you're sitting on a meme coin that's sitting around $1 billion, it's probably the top. Okay, it's not going to 10x from there. It's not going to 100x from there. No matter how high someone says they're going to go or scream it, you know, you got to be common sense in some of these things. Now, if you're looking at meme coins and say it's $100 million market cap, now that has potential of hitting a 10x, right? Could that meme coin go to $1 billion? You would have to do a lot of research on, is there a community? Is there a product? What is it going to do to get it to 10 billion or $1 billion market cap? Could it do that? One of the reasons I'm bullish on Pengu is it has $76 million in liquidity. Does it? I'd have to look at that. Oh, that's right. We're not in. Let's go Pengu. Let's see what their liquidity is. 76 million. Their market cap is sitting around 3.32 billion. To be honest, I still have some in regards to these low cap coins. The liquidity on, if that is really good. To me, liquidity when it's over a $3 billion market cap and liquidity is at 76 million. I don't know. Let's look up something. What should the liquidity of a crypto be compared to market cap? I don't know if that is gonna. Let's see if this one gives an example. Let's see if this one gives an example of what's good liquidity. Liquidity ratio for a business is the ability to pay off its debt obligation. A good liquidity ratio is anything. Wait. So the current asset amount to $400,000 and current liabilities are. Oh, no, this isn't what I want. Let's see this one. How does liquidity help traders? How much liquidity should occur? Oh, here we go. Unfortunately, there's no perfect answer for how much liquidity a cryptocurrency had. This is because it largely depends on the investor and their risk appetite. I don't know. I'd have to do some more looking into that. Dia says the extra shows 26.2 mil liquidity for Pengu. Shouldn't it be somewhere like 5 times the market cap? I don't think it should be 5. So with what I'm seeing here is it's not a perfect formula. There's not like a perfect formula for it of what it should or shouldn't be. But let's look at let's see if CoinMarketCap shows like what liquidity is in Solana. Let's see what Solana is. If they show like the Solana liquidity versus I think what honestly is more important is like the FTV. And market cap. I could be wrong. This is something I struggle with in understanding, just to be honest with you guys. Because the FTV is 3.32 billion. And liquidity is 75.81 mil. I don't know. I'd have to look into that. If there's anybody in the audience who maybe knows better than me, and maybe you have a better understanding of this, please put it in the chat. Like, what's the ratio? Should the liquidity be the equivalent to the market cap? Should it be less? Should there a percentage? Like, what do you guys think? Hechtman, were you being sarcastic with the 76 million, or were you being serious for the? I wasn't sure. It's kind of hard to tell. Do you think that is really good, or do you think it's like not that good? The thing that I like about Pengu better, and the reason why, regards to liquidity or not, is I think it's a 5-to-1 ratio. Okay, Dia, 5-to-1 ratio. Okay, 5 times the market cap. That would mean the liquidity would need to be 15 billion. Let's see Solana real fast. Or let's see Magic Eden. Let's see what Magic Eden is. I meant the other way around. Oh, okay. Okay, so it'd be 1 to 5. Let's see what Magic Eden is. Let's see what their liquidity to FTV is. So Magic Eden is sitting at a $3 billion market cap, and their liquidity is 7 mil. And Magic Eden is a much larger company. So actually, I think that would be actually, in regards to compare it to Magic Eden, that's what Pengu looks way better than Magic Eden. That's for sure. What is that? Oh, thank you. Oh, nice. Thank you. Sorry, I said no, you're good. So Pengu looks better than Magic Eden. If you look at liquidity and FTV, Magic Eden is like almost the same as Pengu, but the liquidity is 50 million less, which is kind of crazy. 70 million less. So actually, I'd say Pengu looks pretty good. Let's look at another pretty good coin. Let's look at Bonk. Bonk is a good coin. That's trusted. Let's look at their liquidity to FDV. FDV for Bonk is 3.1 billion, and their liquidity is 21 million. So that's I'd say Pengu does look actually pretty good. If we kind of compare it to other coins, let's see Solana. We'll look at Solana last. Let's see, they're right. They're what the heck? Here we go. Is this Solana? Yeah. Okay. FDV. Okay, that's kind of crazy. Their FDV is 128 billion, but their liquidity is $110,000. That's kind of crazy. I think it's a fight. I meant the other way around. You think Bonk will go bonkers? I think so. I'm a big fan of Bonk. I am a big fan of Bonk. That's like one of the only meme coins I actually like to actually buy, like and actually trade. Bonk is like one of the only ones I really, really like to do it. And I think Bonk, yeah, will do very well. What are we looking at? Let's go 4 hour. We'll look at Bonk real fast. I mean, just look at that chart right there. If Bonk can take out a zero, I mean, they've already seen all-time highs break out in November. Nice big correction, right? Double bottom here, like, yeah. I would love to see Bonk take out a zero. I need to make these numbers bigger because I'm like blind. So here we're at 4 zeros. 4 zeros. I would love to see Bonk potentially take out a zero this cycle. If they could take out a zero, that'd be crazy. If Bonk could take out a zero, let's do this real fast. 0.0001 for white. I think Bonk could take out a zero. For sure. Let's go to the weekly time frame. We're gonna do some Bonk TA real fast. Would be interested in your opinion on Talent Protocol on Base joint venture with Coinbase. I've never touched Base. I've never even touched Base. I honestly know nothing about Base. I know it's Coinbase. I know that. Oh, my fibs retracements are gonna be right. Let's go over here. We're gonna look at it over here, not on Bird Eye. Is this stream request? We're gonna go over here. Let's look at Bonk. All right. This is not all time of Bonk, but okay. All right, let's look at Bonk real fast. Okay. Yeah, this -1 here on Bonk takes out a zero. And I think we do that this cycle. I think we could take out a zero on Bonk this cycle. That'd be crazy. Oh, I'd be so excited for Bonk. I don't want to see these day EMAs cross again. It's looking pretty bearish right now. But we have this support zone here. We have that support zone. We're in the weekly time frame gold zone. What about the 4 hour? Looks like we're hitting this liquidity over here. We need to push out of this peak here. And then push out of this peak over here. To see bullish structure start pushing back. First this one, then this one. Yeah. You know, I'm going to start watching Bonk a little closer. I'm going to start watching Bonk a little closer because for perpetual futures trading, I just love Bonk. I do. And I've been neglecting it. I think I'm going to watch this and see. I think this might be an entry opportunity soon. I'd probably wait for the EMAs on the 4 hour to cross. And then base this off the weekly time frame. Sniper on the day, on the 4 hour. Do my first entry on the 4 hour cross. Then do my next entry on the day time frame cross. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna make a new. We're gonna create a new layout, and we're gonna type it, make it Bonk. Open a new tab. Yeah, we're gonna make a new layout, and we're gonna do it for Bonk. Is this Bonk? Okay, let's set up our chart real fast. Average price. Okay. I have to do all this real fast. Okay. Oh, not 210. All right. Okay, then add the 50. Okay, this is how I set up all my charts. Okay, I get my EMAs on here. And then I get my VWAP set up. Okay, my 9, my 21, and my 50. Okay, so you're seeing right now my complete typical setup on every chart. If you'd like to review this, if I'm going too fast or anything, go to my YouTube channel and you can always review these complete setups, so then you can add it to your chart if you would like to have it too. But yeah, Bonk is looking very good. Let's go to the back. I'm gonna set up this chart so we have this saved, and I'm gonna be watching it, and I'll probably start trading Bonk too here, because I love Solana altcoins. There we go. Day time frame looking good. 4 hour. We're gonna add the support zone over here. Let's do Heikin-Ashi real fast to get that support zone nice and tight. There we go. Yeah, we're right in that support zone. Oh, did I just... Okay. Yeah. I'm going to set up some alerts. We're going to set up the EMA alert here on Bonk. That's the alert I want. Add an alert. Price. Nope. We want 9 EMA crossing the 21 EMA. Once per bar. And then Bonk EMA cross 4 hour. Okay, and then we're gonna add another Bonk EMA cross on the day time frame, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, we're gonna add another one on the day time frame, and that's it. That's all we want on the Bonk EMA cross day. That's it. That's all I do. Now I don't even have to stare at the bonk chart. I just wait until I get that alert. And as soon as I get that alert for bonk. No, they didn't. Don't give me that alert. Oh, whoops. Whoops, I messed it up. 9:21. Oops. There we go. That would have sucked. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, so now I just wait. Now I don't even have to look at bonk, right? We'll probably look at it because of the live stream. The platform I'm currently on is TradingView, but I use BLOFIN to initiate the trades. So the platform I'm on right now is TradingView. That's how I do all my charting, but then I do all my trading on BLOFIN. Okay, so and BLOFIN has perpetual futures for bonk. I'll pull it up right now. BLOFIN has, if you go to futures, go here. I have it in my favorites, but they have bonk. So here is all the trading for bonk. So if you would like to futures trade bonk, you can do it right from BLOFIN. They have bonk to day trade. So what I'll do is I'll wait for my trading view to give me those alerts, and then I'll come to BLOFIN and then open that position. Yeah, so I love BLOFIN. Highly recommend. If you're looking for a good place to trade and a place to even practice, because you can do futures trading, but you can do demo trading if you like. So if you don't want to use real money, you can practice and do demo trading to get good and profitable before you put real money in it. So I'm a huge fan of BLOFIN. I think they have a great platform to learn, to understand futures trading, and then also to practice. And a big fan of BLOFIN. Yeah, so I use TradingView and BLOFIN together. I use TradingView to get my alerts and my charting, and I use BLOFIN to initiate the transactions and actually hold the positions. And both BLOFIN and TradingView, I can do all from my phone too. So if I'm on the go and I'm like at my IRL job and I see, oh, I got the bonk alert that the EMA's crossed. Okay, let me go into my BLOFIN, or let me go to TradingView. Let me check to see if the candle's closed. If the candle closed and they're crossed, let me then go to BLOFIN and initiate the position and open the position. So I love BLOFIN and I love TradingView because I can literally do it all from my phone. I can do it from my computer. I can do it on the go. I can do it when I'm traveling, anywhere, and it makes it super easy. So yeah, I highly recommend BLOFIN. Go, link is in my bio. If you're on YouTube, link is down below the video. But if you're on TikTok, Twitch, or X, YouTube is in my, the link is in my bio. And yeah, it's just a link tree. And when you open up the link tree, I'll show you what the link tree looks like. It's this one right here. Sign up for BLOFIN, best exchange. Right here. That link right there will take you to my referral link, and then you can sign up from there. You can get and then you can get up to $5,000 bonus when you sign up towards your account. It's probably cash and a mix of cash and also a mix of futures bonuses, which means you can trade free money essentially. But yeah, this site right here is TradingView. So this site where I do all this charting, the fib retracements, my alerts and everything, that's TradingView. And I love TradingView. I have like the top pro account, the premium. I have the premium TradingView. So I can have like unlimited alerts, unlimited charts, unlimited like all that stuff. And then I can also like attach a brokerage if I ever have a brokerage and things like that. So and then you can also do bar replay. Like we can go here, right? We got, is it bar replay here? Oh, you can't do bar replay on this one. But I think if we go to Bitcoin, if we go down to the 4 hour, you zoom out, right? And you can literally do bar replay and you can like practice trading. So you can like say here, how did I miss these moves? How did I miss this move? Let me see what I missed. You go back here, right? It takes away all the current candles, right? And you say, let's see what happened when price tapped the gold zone here. And let's do it. We're at 3x speed. We'll do 5x speed. And then we'll press play. And then look, you can watch the candles. Oh, it's in the gold zone. Popped out. Tap the gold zone again. Popped out. And then that would have been my entry, right? And you can literally like practice and go back in time and practice trading and your strategies and stuff. And you can do that with the pro account. And then you could also do like, there's so much. There's so many tools in TradingView. Like I'm not even tapping the like tip of the iceberg on TradingView, but yeah. Oh, the Bitcoin 4 hour went red. It was green. It was green earlier, but it went red now. What about Ethereum's 4 hour candle? Are we in the 4 hour? Ethereum's is still green. What about Solana's? Is this Bonk or Solana? Let's see Solana 4 hour. 4 hours still red on Solana. Okay. Because we have an hour left on this candle. I would really love to see this Bitcoin candle close above the VWAP. I would really like to see that. But also this is a doji candle. So that's kind of a good indicator too for me. If it closed like that. And the next candle should be green. Ideally. Usually doji candles like that will bring a bullish candle next. And for an example, you can go over here. You have this hammer candle here. You have this doji candle right here, right? Doji candle after a move down, doji candle then pushes up, right? Over here, this is a doji candle, pushes up, right? You have over here, this is semi doji, but you have this red doji candle right here, push up, right? Where's another doji candle here, push up, right? So if this closes as a doji candle, that could be a good indicator that we might get a push up from here. All right, guys, it is now 11 p.m. I think I'm going to call it today. I just got a TradingView notification. Oh, that was the mistake. I'm going to call it for today. I'm going to call it. We're at almost 2 hours in the stream now, just shy 8 minutes. We've had over 80 people in the stream. And so guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting. That's it. That's all I had for you guys today. I'm excited. I'm still very bullish across the market. I still do not have any bearish thesis when it comes to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. There's nothing I see yet to give me that. And so I think the bull run is continuing on. I think we're going to see it continue on until 2025. And we won't see big correction, like big correction until mid 2025 is my guess. So I'm very excited to see how the end of December closes out. And then also, what does January look like? What is January going to look like? The stream schedule for the rest of this week, we're going to do every single day up until Friday. Next week, we're not going to stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, that's Christmas Eve, that's Christmas Day, and then the day after Christmas. I won't be streaming those days. I'll probably stream Monday and then Friday, and give you guys some like beginning of the week and end of week results for trading. But then the next week after that, I will be traveling. I'm not sure if I will be able to stream at all. The first week, that would be from like December 30th to January 3rd. I don't know if I'll be able to stream because I will be traveling. And so I don't know if I'll be able to get a stream in. What I might do is do maybe a stream from my phone, and try to get one in on that Monday and one in on that Friday. But I probably won't be able to do an every single day stream from the 30th to the 3rd. But then on the 6th, when we get back, I'll be back to normal. But these last 2 weeks of December after this week will be kind of spotty in the streams because I have holiday stuff and a lot of things going on that I probably won't be able to do my normal rhythms. And I apologize for that. If you are someone who relies on these streams and really values them every single day, I apologize. but I will do my best to keep you guys in the loop during this time. If you want, join the Discord. I'll try to keep TA up in there, or follow my X account and my social media profiles, because I will be keeping up on things like that. Yeah, I hope you guys found value this morning. I hope this was helpful. I hope this is giving you hopium, right, for this next couple weeks and the next year. But I'm excited for this bull run, and it's just really, I think it's just starting. So all right, we'll see you guys all tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Oh, someone just asked them, how you recommend to get into day trading? If I had to recommend anyone to start day trading, I would recommend demo trading first. That'd be my first start. Start demo trading, which you can do on BLOFIN. So if you go and make a BLOFIN account, you can do demo trading. Also, if you make a TradingView account, you can also do paper trading here. Let me move it up just a little bit more. You can also do demo trading on TradingView with paper trading too. I recommend, if you're someone who's never done day trading, never done futures trading, you've never done this before, start with paper trading and treat it like it's your real money. Use risk management, use profit management. Don't do ridiculous trades you wouldn't do in real life on the paper trading. You need to treat it like it's your actual bank account, right? But demo trading is where I would start. That's what I did. In the beginning of this year, when I started day trading, I did demo trading until I was profitable. And then once I was profitable, I went to real money. And then I've been doing it for now a year. I've been officially day trading consistently, like almost every single day for a year now. Yeah, I love it. I work. So if you have a 9 to 5, right? If you are a person who works 9 to 5, either if you're able to, because if you're in crypto, you can trade outside of normal trading times, right? You don't have to trade the typical 9 to 5 market structure. You can trade at any time, right? I work full time, but can I still do it at afternoon? Yeah, you can still trade, right? Crypto market is open 24/7. So you can, I would say, pick a time every single day. If you can give yourself an hour a day to say, I'm going to turn off my phone, I'm going to turn off everything, and I'm going to give myself an hour a day, and I'm going to try to find a trade and be profitable with 1 hour a day. If you can do that, right? Or maybe it's 2 hours, maybe it's an hour before work, an hour after work, maybe it's on your lunch break, maybe it's, I don't know, maybe you work remote and you have time that you can give an hour within your workday. I don't know. I would say at least give yourself an hour a day to give complete focus into the charts, to either one, watch YouTube videos to understand how to day trade, to find support and resistance, trend lines, fib retracements, whatever it is you want to know, okay? Or give yourself an hour a day to practice charting, to practice doing technical analysis and finding a trade. And then when you get comfortable doing demo trading, do that hour a day where you're actually opening up demo trades and you're actually practicing trades. Are you jumping in Pengu? Yeah, I've already jumped in Pengu, and I've already bought quite a bit. I'm thinking about almost 100,000 Pengu in total of what I hold. So yeah, I'm already in Pengu. But yeah, I would say that's the nice thing about crypto. You can trade it 24/7. There is no time you cannot trade crypto. And there's always an opportunity in the market if you can find it. But you need to be able to give yourself the proper time to really learn it and practice it before you put in real money. I would recommend not putting in real money if you're just starting out. I'd recommend doing demo trading, or if you're going to put in real money, like do a small amount and be okay with it's not going to change your life in the beginning. You're just learning. So like if you're doing $20 trades, you're shooting for $2 profit, right? I would say that's good too, because now you have real money on the line and you get that emotional feel. You get to practice your risk management, right? And like I would say do a small amount of just practicing either demo trading or like a really, really, really small amount of money where you're making like $1 or less in profit, so you can just practice. And then you're not, your life wouldn't be over if you lost $1 in a trade, right? Your life isn't over if you liquidated a $20 account, right? you'd be okay the next day. Like that's what I would recommend. That's how I would do it. If I had to do it all over again, start from scratch and start from the beginning, I would demo trade until I'm profitable. Then I would make a really small account and trade with real money and try to build that up to a certain percentage. And when I hit that percentage, then go into larger amounts of money. And once I feel more comfortable trading. Yeah. All right, guys. I just wanted to answer that question real fast. But that's all I had for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I hope you found value here. I hope you learned something. And I will see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And have a great rest of your week. We're halfway through the week, and I think we're going to see a green rest of the week when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana. So I'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Be there or be square.